Hello, Chef Terrance, Brennan here. I am going to make one of my favorite all-time summertime tomato sandwiches based on the classic tomato sandwich from the South, which is tomato, white bread, and mayonnaise. I'm going to add a few little things, but I'm going to keep it true to form pretty much. First, I'm going to start with the bread. I'm using a Japanese
milk bread.
So it's a little, it's kind of like a white bread, but it has a little more flavor, touch of sweetness. The texture is great for this. Now these are gonna be mini sandwiches. So I'm gonna make 2 of them. I won't judge you. I won't judge you if you use white bread or Wonder Bread, which is probably more the classic recipe, right? Okay, so I have these wonderful heirloom tomatoes. They're in season. It's the best time of year to do this sandwich. This is a German yellow striped tomato, heirloom. And I'm going to just take out the core. That's gorgeous. Oh, look at that. And I want to get about a 1/4 inch thick because I want 1 slice per sandwich. Look at that tomato. Oh my gosh. Oh, all right. So, mayonnaise. I usually have my own mayonnaise. However, I don't today, so I'm going to use Hellmann's, which is perfectly fine. Hellmann's is fine. Mayonnaise on both sides. It's quite a spreader. I could play tennis with this thing. All right, I like lots of mayonnaise. And I'm just going to put 1 tomato on each sandwich. Oh, it's so juicy. Look at all that juice. I'm going to go ahead and put this on a plate because I'm going to drizzle some olive oil and might get a little messy. This is like simplicity at its best. I mean, it doesn't get any more simple or delicious. I like a touch of olive oil. It doesn't call for it for a classic Southern tomato sandwich, but I like it just a touch. It's really about the tomato and mayonnaise. And I do love olive oil and tomato. Pepper, I like lots of pepper. Maldon sea salt. Cute little mini sandwiches. And there you have it. Okay, try this sandwich. It's so easy. It's the simplest form of a sandwich, I think. It's just beautiful heirloom tomato. Bread of choice, but a white kind of bread. Not like a sourdough, it's a little more chewier, like a soft, rich bread. This is the Japanese milk bread. Yeah. That's right, I'm looking at my fingers. What I do on this channel is I like to teach, and this is just a little side thing, but I'm here to teach and to show you how to cook and how to make things easy for you at home and make your life easier in the kitchen, not more difficult. All right, like, share, send it out, whatever you do. I'd appreciate it. Until next time, eat well and be well.